What's up guys, it's Kelly and today I have a super exciting nail art Sunday for you, although it is Monday, I will admit that. Actually, by the time this uploads, it'll probably be Tuesday. Anyway, this is my first nail art that I'm doing in my new place and I'm still getting used to the setup, so I wanted to do something that was simple but also with a little bit of a twist. So I went with a classic gradient. You guys know how much I love my gradients. I did a whole huge in-depth video about how to do the perfect gradient and I don't know, I just wanted to do one where I was mixing two different types of polish. So I wanted to go in with a nice solid cream and a holographic shimmery silver. So that's what we're doing today. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching. So for this manicure, you are going to need some base coat. I am just using my Cuccio base coat that I got from HP Beauty Bar. You're also going to need a holographic silver polish or whatever color you want to be your base. This is Starly Magic Rainbow. And then a black polish, again using Cuccio, and my Cuccio top coat. I'm also using liquid latex. I just use a cheap one that I buy on Amazon. So I'm starting off with my clean natural nail and applying my base coat, and then once that's dry, I'm going in with a couple of coats of my holographic silver as the base. So still trying to figure out my setup, but I've never been good at showing you guys holographic stuff, so just wanted to show you guys what it looks like actually holographic. I know it doesn't look holographic in this video, but when I shine my flashlight on it, you can see that rainbowy goodness. So while that is drying, I am going to take my liquid latex and I'm just going to put that around my skin to protect my cuticle and skin area from the black nail polish that I'm about to sponge onto my nail. Very important. Makes cleanup a lot easier. You could also use tape though. So now I'm just going to take a plain old cosmetic sponge. I usually just buy a big old pack at Walmart, and then I'm going to draw some nice overlapping thick lines of polish. I'm going to line it up with my nail, the black being on top, and then I'm going to just start sponging it on. So I ended up doing about 3 coats to get full opacity of the black and also a nice even gradient from that silver. So once that is done, I'm going to quickly peel off my liquid latex. You can wait for it to dry, but I just like to peel it off before the polish dries so that it's easier to clean up. And then with any excess, because I have nice deep set nail beds, I am going to clean up with acetone and a little brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and top off with my top coat, which is going to smooth out the whole design and make it look nice and seamless. And now we can check out that holographic goodness again. I am so in love with how this turned out. You guys know how much I love gradients, and I feel like this was a cool twist. I love mixing different finishes with my gradients. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I've got a really exciting announcement coming in my next video. Alright, talk to you guys later. Bye!